Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to reinstall Windows 11. So first things first, you have to go to your start menu. Here you can search for system or settings. Just go to the start menu and then search for that. Now, once you're here, and then what you're going to do is you have to scroll down and look for recovery, tap on recovery. Now in the recovery section, you will have option right here. You can tap on the get started under reset this PC. Click this one. Now once you tap this, then you will see option keep my files or remove everything. And now you have to click the first one here, which is keep my files. Once done, then you can now proceed, or it will be automatically proceed to the next step. Now you have your option again, cloud download or local reinstall. So you have to click the second one. Read the following information. As you can see, reinstall Windows from this device. So after that, tap on the next button, click this one. Once done, you will see the following and you can read the information. Now, as you can see, there is this options right here, including reinstall Windows from this device. In this way, you can somehow reinstall Windows 11. So once done, you can tap on reset or just proceed. Now, basically, Windows 11 now includes update stack packages. So small updates that improve the reliability of the update process itself. Once you restart your computer, then you will see that you can now reinstall your Windows 11. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.